Annotating a problem like this in class would look something like this. So we always start by writing cube up at the top. This serves as a visual reminder of the steps for the problem for the students. Starting with C, we know that that means to circle important numbers. So looking through the text after we read it together, we could identify that 43 is an important number and that 31 is another important number. These look like the only important numbers that we have in the problem, so we can cross off C and we're ready to move on to the next step. U stands for underline the units. I usually am able to help students figure out what the units of the problem are by asking something like 43 what? What are they talking about here? 43 items, 43 people. Students are able to identify that they're talking about basketball games for both of the numbers. So the units for this problem is basketball games. We can then move on to B, which stands for box the keywords. Taking volunteers for this is usually the best option to figure out all of the keywords. But in total is a keyword, signals that we're probably going to be adding. Some students might say that it would help them to know last year or over the summer. These are kind of up to your preference on what you think. How many is usually a really good keyword. There are other options that you could probably box, but we'll stick to these for now. Because we boxed the keywords, we're ready to go on to E. Now, E is an important step, especially in 5th grade math that I teach, because there are a lot of exact problems where they want to know the exact answer, but also a lot of estimation problems. And sometimes students are unable to differentiate between what type of problem it is. So looking for keywords for estimation, I don't see anything that would say like about or estimating. So we would know that this is an exact answer, which I have the students actually write exact. This again serves as a visual reminder that we're finding an exact answer and we're not going to be rounding. We have just cubed that problem.